Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Buick Regal CXL. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Buick has less than 196,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.